Now using these examples, I would like to teach you how to find out whether a relation is reflexive or not. Let us say some relation is given and now they are asking you to find out whether the relation is reflexive or not. How you should find out is, see that whatever domain it is defined on, for all the values x comma x, if they belong to the relation or not. That's it. Okay. I'll just take the example and explain you. See this. The relation less than or equal to is reflexive on any set of real numbers. That is what is asked. What is it? The relation less than or equal to, a relation is given, is reflexive on any set of real numbers. So we have to show that, it is already given. Now I will show you how it is reflexive. So if you have any doubt, you should think of it like this. What is this set? It is defined on set of all real numbers. So you take any real number x. Okay. Now take the same real number x. Try to place the given relation in between them. See if it is satisfying or not. Yes, x is less than or equal to x. It is satisfying. Therefore, every element of type x comma x will be present in the relation R. So what is relation R here? Less than or equal to itself is relation here. Therefore, every element of type x comma x which will be present in the set of all, that R cross R, isn't it? So if you take every pair x comma x is definitely present in the relation, therefore we can say that less than or equal to is reflexive. Okay, so how did I do this? You try to take an element from the given set and take the same element from the given set and you place the relation between them. If it is satisfying, then it means that the element x comma x, every element x comma x belongs to relation R. Okay, see the next example. The relation is a divisor of is reflexive on any set of non-zero real numbers, which means you can take any real number which is non-zero. Okay, so let us say you have taken a real number x which is non-zero and you take one more real number x and in between them you try to place the relation. So what is the relation here? The relation is divisor of, right, which means x is divisor of x. See if it is satisfied. Yes, it is satisfied. Why? X divides x. Therefore, every element of form x comma x will be present in this relation. So this is a reflex relation. Got it? Now let's see the next one. The relation is a subset of, denoted by this symbol, is reflexive on any set of sets, on any collection of sets. So what should you do? Take two elements from the domain which are same, which means let us say A is a set and take one more A and you try to place relation in between them and see if it is satisfied. A is subset of A. Is it satisfying? Yes, because every set is a subset of itself. I told you already this point. Therefore, every element x comma x will be present in this relation. So the relation is reflexive. Now see this. The relation is parallel to, is reflexive on the set of all lines. Now let us say we have a line L. Now take the same line L and you try to place the relation in between them. What is the relation? Is parallel to. L is parallel to L. Yes, a line is parallel to itself. Therefore, all the lines will be present in the form x comma. When all the elements of type x comma x will be present in this relation, the parallel to. Therefore, it is reflexive. Got it? Now see this. R equal to x comma y belongs to z cross z, which means they are talking about the relation which is on a set of integers z comma z in such a way that x comma y is even integer. So how to find out whether it is reflexive or not? Take x and then take x and verify this condition. What is the condition? X minus y is even number. See what is x minus x? It is 0. Yes, it is a even integer. Therefore, it is reflexive. Got it? Now see this. Is congruent to mod phi on z is reflexive. So how to find out? Is congruent to mod phi. So let us see if x is congruent to x mod phi. So I think you know what is congruent to mod phi. We even discussed it in TOC. In theory of computation I discussed it. So when can we say that it is congruent to mod phi? Whenever the difference is divisible by this, right? Or you divide this with x, then you are going to get x. Okay, let's not talk about this one, it is a bit complex. Okay, I have to discuss something else, then I'll come back to this point. You try to understand all these points. Okay, so whenever they are asking whether to find out whether something is reflexive or not, you take some element from this set and you take the same element and you try to apply the condition given, the relation given between them. If it is satisfied, then we can say that every element of type x comma x can be placed in the relation and therefore the relation is reflexive. Okay.
Hi, if you are planning to do masters, then doing masters abroad is better than doing masters in India. I'll give you all the reasons. So, first reason is out of 1 lakh students who take GATE every year, there are only 500 seats in old IITs. So, all the IITs put together have an acceptance rate of 0.5%, and IITs, universities better than IITs, they have very good acceptance rate like 30%, 40%, but all the IITs put together have an acceptance rate of 0.5%. And if you are working hard to get into IIT Bombay, IIT Bombay's ranking is 177 and IIT Roorkey's ranking is 400. If you are happy to get into IIT Roorkey, then getting into universities better than IIT Roorkey is easier compared to getting into IIT Roorkey. And looking at the salaries for computer science, for software jobs, if you have done your masters in computer science in US, the salaries are ranging from 80 lakhs per year to 1.2 crore per year. So even if you take an average of 1 crore per year, your savings will be much higher than the salaries in India. After taxes and your cost of living, you can easily save 40 to 50 lakhs per year. And in India, the maximum jobs that you get is around 30 lakhs. So your savings will be much greater than the salaries in India. And these are all the services that we provide. University shortlisting. So depending on your profile, we will shortlist what are the universities that you have to apply, and statement of purpose building, and then LOR guidance, and GRE and English test assistance, and education loan assistance. So you don't have to have any collateral, which means without any security, now you can get education loan. Getting education loan is very simple these days, and whatever the amount of fee that you have a range of universities. You can apply for 10 lakh universities, 20 lakh universities, or 50 lakh universities, but whatever it is, you are going to get complete education loan, and you can pay off your education loan in 1 year after you get a job. And then we do visa assistance, mock visa interviews, and then connecting with the university alumni. So now you might ask why we should join Game of Visas. So the answer is we have 90% success rate, 99% success rate. And these are all the destinations that we guide the students to. So we guide students to any country that you want to go. So now it is not just USA. We guide to UK, Germany, Australia, Canada. So we guide students to all the countries. We work with all the destinations. And if you are interested in going abroad, you have to just drop us a message on this WhatsApp number 9494 555 454. Okay, thank you.